Hello dear children. Now let's begin with the oxygen cycle. 21% of oxygen is present in the atmosphere. Oxygen is also present in hydrosphere as well as in lithosphere. Circulation and recycling of oxygen within the ecosystem is said to be the oxygen cycle. This cycle includes both biotic and abiotic components. Oxygen is continuously produced as well as used up in the atmosphere. Oxygen is highly reactive and it radially reacts with other elements and compounds. Oxygen is found in various forms like molecular oxygen, O2, water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, and inorganic compounds. The oxygen cycle of the biosphere is extremely complex. Oxygen is released in the process of photosynthesis, whereas it is used up in the processes like respiration, combustion, corrosion, rusting, and many more. Most microorganisms use oxygen for respiration. Such microbes are called aerobes. Microbes which do not need oxygen are called anaerobes. Oxygen is important for the synthesis of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Oxygen is also used in various chemical reactions. Ozone is produced from oxygen through various atmospheric processes. Hello dear children. Today we are going to learn the concept of nitrogen cycle. What is meant by nitrogen fixation? Which microbes bring about the process of nitrogen fixation? You was already studied in 8th class. Nitrogen fixation is nothing but the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrate, nitrite, and amino acids. Number of microorganisms are responsible to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrate, nitrite, and amino acids. For example, Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria form the nodules in the leguminous root system of the plant body and convert the atmospheric nitrogen into its soluble form, which is useful for the plants to prepare the proteins as well as the nucleic acids. 78% of nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, and this is the maximum proportion of the atmosphere. It is necessary for the maintenance of the cycle of nature. The circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas into the different compounds through the various biotic and abiotic processes is called nitrogen fixation. All organisms participate in nitrogen cycle. It is an important component of proteins and nucleic acid. As compared to the other elements and nucleic acid, nothing but the deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA is nothing but the ribonucleic acid. As compared to the other element, it is inactive and does not easily combine with other elements. Most organisms cannot use the free form of nitrogen. Some important processes of nitrogen are nitrogen fixation, that I already said before, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. Nitrogen fixation is nothing but the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrate, nitrite, and amino acids by different industrial and biological processes. Ammonification is nothing but the release of ammonia through decomposition of dead bodies and excretory waste of organisms. Nitrification means conversion of ammonia into the nitrite and nitrate. And last term is denitrification, conversion of nitrogen compounds into gaseous nitrogen.